been just, if she'd have still been sitting there.
She's cold, I know
She's cold. She's very cold.
Man, that rabbit blew it off.
Alright, Zach, before you freeze a foot.
Flying this way.
What'll happen if she does?
That would be bad. Come on. Come on. Yeah. Come on.
What's that?
Food. That's what that is. That's
Rabbit
food.
or squirrel?
Rabbit. Rabbit. There. Yes, there. Not that exciting, but
That's pretty exciting.
she's cold. We'll move over next to the school. They got squirrels over there.
They do?
They do.
Put this word out. I don't know how they do it.
And this is the...
I mean,
this
they come
one.
down there by that FFA.
She's acting very ready.
You're out down there, tossing hams. Yeah. Actually, 20, 30 of them.
They're all gone now. There's
Yeah.
nothing there now.
Yeah.
They're all gone.
We can find a squirrel today and give these people a show.
Yeah!
Yep.
Yeah.
He's called me a couple times. He was trying to get his bird's weight up, and wasn't coming up. And I said, "How much you feed that?" He said, some birds don't more as you get older too. It worked its way. I was able to get it.
Oh, she sees it down there. She knows where it is. Somebody run in there really fast.
Run like crazy!
Oh, there it is. There it goes. Stop. Stop. Everybody stop. Everybody hold still. Stop. Stop. Good job, Hank. Right in there.
Alrighty. Where's our film guy? That's what they do in the wild.
Well,
Thank you, Hank, for being fast and in there quickly.
I can see she doesn't have a light.
I just whacked in the head.
Oh, yeah, but a lot of times the hawk is in the way, so you can't whack it on the head.
That's where they got that from.
I'm going to come out on flat ground.
We almost got into the hole.
Yep, it was headed to safety.
I can't believe Hank got...
Now she wants to hide it.
Oh, is that
She wants to put it away so nobody can see it, see her bunny. So that's normal.
Are we gonna keep walking or not?
I think, Dave, perhaps we should then see if we can find a place to fly Ace.
Sassy?
Would that be okay with you?
Ace? Who's Ace?
Ace is a peregrine.
Is that his hawk?
That's one of his birds. It's a falcon.
Oh, cool.
But definitely that bunny is dead. All right. All right, here you go. All right, here you go.
I saw one of the rabbits at the
And
back there.
if anybody is queasy, then you might want to go away, but I'm going to let her have a little bit of warm rabbit.
I'm not sure. Holy crap. Cool.
Just narrowly got that one before it got underneath that.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, was that one that got away last year?
Underneath that grass pile.
That big one over
Oh, the
there
rock
last year.
pile.
She grabbed one and she was like, literally, she was like this. And I'm like, okay, how do I get that out without losing it? So I'm like very gently trying to like pull, because I couldn't get my arm around it. Very gently trying to pull her back, and then I felt a little rabbit got away.
My dad has a
Oh, yes.
scissors like that, and he wants me to use them for cleaning school.
Yes, you've
What
got
the
yourself
heck's-
a bunny.
Why is she making that noise?
Because she's excited and she wants to eat. That's why she's making that noise.
Oh.
I'm just going to let her have a little bit of the fresh rabbit.
Yeah. Hang on, hit girl.
Look, there you go. Look, there's liver. Let's get that stomach out of the way.
Oh. Ugh, stinks. That stinks.
Yeah, well, it's got. Well, no, it's not bad. It's just they don't usually tend to want to eat them.
Well, she does.
Well, she wants to eat, but I'm trying to focus her on the top of the rabbit, not the back of it.
Call. Ooh, that's good.
Yummy. You getting all that? Bleh.
Not so.
And it's good for them. Because in the wild, that they don't normally drink. What they get is from the food they eat, especially in the winter since everything's frozen. But
Not up a squirrel's ribs. Ooh, there is the part. Oh man, she's enjoying that rabbit. Usually when my squirrels aren't dead, my dad usually just steps on its head or we whack it against a tree. That's what I do. What are you gonna do?
leave it there. Putting it away.
I was gonna help you put it in.
Putting it away. Just gonna let her eat a little bit.
Excellent.
There, now you got to see what's supposed to happen.
That was all right.
You gotta
do
come
they
back to
cover-
our house. We got a
Why
bunch
do
of rabbits
the
now.
hogs cover their feathers so they can't see it?
What's that?
Why do hogs cover it?
When they cover it,
Bird, when its wings are open,
Yeah.
it looks a lot like the leaves, doesn't it, on the ground and the brush around it. It's good camouflage.
they don't want anybody else to see what they're eating.
What we know.
You want to give that head to me? She's like, no.
Come on.
See if I can grab it without.
She's mad at you.
Nah, she's just hungry.
There you go.
I thought she's
Keep eating.
Hand washing action.
Mm-hmm.
No?
I started bringing gloves. I don't have any on me. They're in the car.
Oh, like rubber gloves?
Yeah, because I've been like gutting them and I get blood in my fingernails and I go to work and it doesn't wash out. So I'm just like, probably is not considered sanitary. I'm thinking they might complain if they knew that I had, residual rabbit blood on my hands.
And do they know you hawk? Does my uncle work with you?
He works in a different area,
Oh.
so I've never met him.
Oh, rock.
His name's John.
His name is John.
His name's Uncle Bert. What is his
And
name?
John. You got another Uncle John.
All right.
Uncle John, Uncle
I'll
Bert.
do a little bit of bait and switch here.
I got some others at home with 2,000.
Yeah,
Hank is
she's
like what,
mad.
19?
And then how about?
Yeah.
And then how come he just grabbed it and started pulling on it?
What I got?
Why did he grab it?
Yeah, I just did a little bit of a bait and switch there. Did you see that? She took the smaller piece and gave me the bigger piece.
Dad, can I pet it?
No, don't pet her.
Why?
She doesn't like being touched.
Why?
She doesn't like being touched.
So she's not a pet.
There's no other why there. She just doesn't like being touched. She might turn around and grab you.
She's not a pet.
She's not a pet.
Where's my pole bear?
Get up.
Chelsea.
I can.
Yes.
Good girl, Sassy.
I want it.
Good girl.
Holy smokes,
That's
Dad.
a lot of blood.
Dad, can I have it back?
All right.
Are we gonna drive to a different spot? Caroline.
Well,
are
we need to find some place if we're going to fly Ace.
not here.
No, not here. So we have to find some place that Dave thinks would work.
Got to be real open, and hopefully nothing much to cover on the ground. Like
So maybe we'll go over
arches, so.
near your place. You want to try your place?
Either way. I mean, well, it depends on how far people want to drive from here.
And her bells are a little dead.
Why do you need bells on the street?
Well, why don't you ask that guy right behind you because he makes bells. Dave, why do they have bells on?
Well, they have bells so that we can see where they are when we're walking
No,
those
he'll,
birds and they're following us.
Yeah, he's got pigeons.
And also, if they go down into the cover with their quarry,
We can't see them.
then you can see them or you can hear them. Go find them.
Dave makes bells.
Bells for food.
Obviously, she's done.
No, no.
She's done. I've let her
Well,
eat.
just for hawks, but they've been used for a lot of different things.
How do you make them?
Well, I start with sheet metal and I form it into little cups and then I trim it and slot it, solder it all together.
And you put circle ball in it.
I put a little ball in there, yep, with little flats all the way around. Well, we just want a big wide open field.
We do have a big.
Cover.
The passage peregrine.
Wind like this.
That's a wild bird. That is a wild bird. He trapped it over the Mississippi. And it's got a broken tail feather too.
I'm cold.
Same thing with mine. He's got a backpack on it.
I want to watch
No,
it.
it's
I want to watch
one
it.
season.
Test
At the end of the season, you cut it off, and then they'll molt.
His feathers
Or like with the cases is when he's going to probably release this bird at the end of the season. He's going to let it continue on with its life. And
We can actually just leave this.
we put that up.
Aren't you gonna drink the battery?
Well, we want to get out of there.
Actually, good like that. We can leave this open. All right, let's
Who's all set?
walk off. See the wind direction this way. It'll be blowing towards the buildings here. There's cattle out here I see now.
Smart little bird. He's like, let me the hell out of here.
You gotta come here.
I know this isn't good.
Good catch, Hank. Hank's got bird eyes. He can find a bird anywhere, even if it's crawling out of Dave's bag. Ready, sweetie?
Yes. Wind.
Don't forget this is a wild peregrine.
Did you turn the telemetry on, Dave?
Yeah, he turned it on.
I can't believe that they come back.
Now that was a rouse, for anybody that wants to know. They rouse in the air, which is just to put all his feathers in place.
Come back.
It's a bird, and those who have not yet.
Not the.
Yeah.
Here, you guys.
We're ready. Hey, watch Dave. Watch the bird. He's going to pull it.
You guys get warm. Are you warm yet? All right, when he comes over, I'm going to throw it. Are you ready?
Yeah. Go for it.
Probably would be best to actually focus on Dave because he'll throw the bird, and then you focus on the bird. Focus on the bird. Watch the bird. Watch the bird. And here he comes. Here he comes.
Oh!
Well, he didn't quite hit it out of the sky, so he's going to be chasing it.
Dive right into the snow, maybe. Yeah, I never saw the other birds.
Anybody want to start? All right, well, I'll crawl him down to the board in a minute.